Welcome to Printer Tales. Today we will learn how to create or sign in HP Smart App account on your phone. Step 1. Open the HP Smart App on your phone. Step 2. Tap on Allow button if you want HP Smart App to send you notifications. If not, simply tap on Don't Allow. Step 3. On the welcome page, select Accept All button. Step 4. Tap on Skip for Now option as shown in the video. Step 5. Select Create Account to set up your HP Smart account. Note, if you already have an HP account, tap on Sign In and skip to Step 11. Step 6. If you have selected Create Account, you will be directed to the account creation page. Step 7. Enter your name, email address and password, then tap on the Create button to continue. Step 8. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Step 9. Go to your email account, open the verification email. Step 10. Tap on Verify button to confirm the email address. So that's how you create new account on HP Smart App. Let's follow the steps to sign in. Step 11. Tap on Sign In button. Step 12. Enter the email address you used earlier to create HP Smart account. Step 13. Tap on Send Sign-in code to receive code by email. Note, if you have selected Use Password, simply enter the password and press the Sign In button to continue. Step 14. Open your Gmail app and find the one-time OTP that you have received from HP ID support. Step 15. Enter the OTP in the given field and press Sign In button to proceed. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comment section.